Hey guys, okay, no trader here. Sorry for the other video. We're gonna make a short one, quickly, straight to the point, so it's no messing around. Okay, so basically, these the tools we use day to day. Okay, so that's the Coinglass long short radio. Okay, so you can filter here about the long short. This the ratio. Okay, just to explain to you what's the ratio on the Binance site, what we monitoring the information is this one, is the difference between position and accounts, and this is really important. Okay, accounts can match a long or can hold a long or a short position longer than a position, which means when there's a lot of people position it short, the asset normally it goes higher. When there's a lot of people betting, a lot of people position and positions long, means the asset is going lower. So is the opposite what we see here. Is normally is much better when both position and account are aligned. They are the same, like for example low or high. I'm gonna show you quickly here with the Bitcoin what this we use and how we use long short. Okay, we need to find always the information in this website, TRDR. We need to find Coinbase, sorry, Binance, because in Binance we have the information we want. Okay, so I just gonna quickly explain guys here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off this and I'm gonna leave the ratio. Okay, so this is the ratio. Okay, this is the ratio. I'm gonna take this order block as well, and this so this is the long short ratio we use here. Okay, this is the ratio, which means look, when Bitcoin was going up, people, and the ratio, which means the difference between accounts and the difference between long and short. Okay, between long and short, the ratio is between accounts and positions, which means here when Bitcoin was going up, people are betting that is going to be best to short. So which means the people push contracts, the open interest keeping high rising, and the price keep going up. Okay, so that's we use open interest and long short. That's why it's so important to us. Okay, we use this together. For example, like after a consolidation, people are betting and short, and we probably gonna see explosion because we see open interest in entering in the asset. Okay, so in the scalp stage, okay, we have a lot of information that's really good. Okay, in the screener we have 5 minutes range, trades and everything. But if we have a way to filter, like here, okay, like here we have top higher long short ratio, top lower long short ratio, long short ratio percentage, and open interest percentage. Okay, so what we do from here, okay, because this tool, okay, the RDR, they don't have all the codes. For example, Optimism, okay, USDT, they don't have. So we need to come here and open in the Coinglass. Okay, Coinglass USDT. Coinglass, they have all the tools. Okay, they have, they have all the coins. So what we do here, they have the same as here. Okay, but the problem is this is 7 days trial and this is free, but these don't save your layout. Okay, the layout is not saved. But anyway, you go in indicators. Okay, you're gonna put 1 hour here. You go in indicators. Okay, and I'm gonna put open interest, aggregate, position, accounts, ratio between different long and short. Okay, that's the ratio between long and short between these two. So accounts, position, long and short, this is the ratio. Here, no, here's the difference in account, position, long or short, and position, people are position. Accounts, they hold longer, and position, they get liquidate really easy. Okay, And I'm gonna just quickly show here. Let me change here. Okay, so here we have, here is the accounts, position, accounts, and the ratio. Okay, so actually this happened yesterday. Okay, a friend of mine, he longed here. I think he saw was this. Okay, one of the guys. Anyway, he longed here. I think he saw this retest or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, the time he sent to me this, I said to him, look, the long short ratio are too high. It's getting higher. It's not a good to long. And he said to me, okay. But anyway, what's happened is like when a lot of people are longing, okay, the asset, it's more probable that the market maker, you know, they gonna put the asset low. Okay, they gonna dump, which means when they dump, the open interest as is getting out as well. So open interest is the amount of contract that are open in that coin, which means when a lot of contracts are open, there's a lot of interest in the coins from the market maker. I'm gonna put here just for purpose the Solana. Okay, as you see, when I load a new chart, I need to put the indicators. Okay, that's the problem with the Coinglass. Okay, quickly here, just one sec. Just gonna put the line because it's much better for see it. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna make this up here. Up here. Okay, so this what's happened with Solana yesterday, guys. Okay, you see that the coin, the price is going up, and the open interest, the long short ratio are going down, which means people are shorting the asset, and the long short rate and the open interest are getting high. Okay, so the long short is declining, the open interest is inclining, is going up, and the coin is going up. You see, when they get like a short pullback here, you see that the open interest is pulling back again. The people, the market makers, so the futures, like the proprietary desk on the exchange, they see that, look, there's a lot of people shorting this level here. Let's push the market a little bit higher to liquidate them. And there, what you see here, liquidations. Okay, and that was the same in the Bitcoin. You see, if you see this chart here, that's this candle, when a lot of people they were shorting the market. Okay, they are shorting the market here. You see, okay, they shorting the market here. Okay, I think I delete the open interest. Jeez, just let me put here the template. Okay, so as you see here, there's a lot of people shorting the market here. Okay, this moment here, the people get in short. The market makers, they push the market. Look, they push the market with the new contracts, and they keep liquidated. You see, and here we have 23 million liquidations because the market maker, they see that people are getting short, they push the market higher. And that's gonna happen with the opposite. When they see that a lot of people are getting greed and they are long. Okay, sorry. A lot of people here, you see, long, a lot of people in long, what they do, they dump the market. Okay, that's how the market works for our perspective. We always try to get, and we always try to jump in the, where is the liquidity? Okay, where is the market maker are getting to execute these people. Okay, so we're trying to always jump on board where they're gonna try to liquidate as much as possible with people are short or long. We don't want to get into position if the long short ratio, for example, let's say is here. Okay, let's say the long short ratio is here. Okay, the long short ratio is high, let's say 1.5, and the open interest is like this and getting lower, we're probably gonna short, okay, which means a lot of people in a long position and the market gonna push lower. Okay, that's we do. We use Coinglass because TRDR, they don't have a lot of coins. Sometimes they don't have coins that is here. Okay, so this is the mainly tool we use. That's is higher, which means coins good for short. Lower, coins good for long. Ratio is the difference between accounts and position long and short. So that's I don't watch too much, but I watch here. So which means which coins is getting interesting. That's what move the markets for long, of course. So which means when a lot of coins they get a lot of interesting. Let me get rid of the drawings. Okay, so when the coins is receiving open interesting, you can see here, look, 104k, 105k, and then it jumps 120k. That's the amount of bitcoins coins. Okay, so that's an amount of coin. And then you can look here in Coinglass long short ratio. Okay, that's the 5 minutes. You can put in 1 hour, okay, to see the amount of short, the amount of long. But the only thing we want is this simple. We want to have in the scalp station, we want to have a tab where you can find the coins that have the open interesting growing or a lot of interesting getting to the coin. Okay, for example, you can filter here. Okay, okay, you can filter here in this TopLSR. Okay, so this is coin that receiving a lot of interesting, you know, the coin receiving a lot of money getting to the coin. So probably a move will come, it happened already, or it will continue. Okay, so that's what we use for. And this is the from Binance. That's the information we use. This is the open interest in getting to the coin. Okay, let's put 1 hour here. Okay, so as you can see in the last hours, the interest in Bitcoin is draining. So which means they are maybe distributing in this top or something like that. And here's the long short account position and then the ratio. Okay, and this is the takers buy and sell volume. Okay, so I use more the Binance because I like the information is more divided, let's say position account. And these you have in the Coinglass. Okay, but I use this one TopLSR, and that's what we want to implement in scalp station, where you can just filter for open interest or low coins with the, because what's happening is like the exchange, the market maker, they look in their coin board, let's say like that, and they look and say, look, there's, I don't know, like 100,000, 200,000, let's say $1 million to be liquidate with a lot of people that are short. So they go there, they inject open interest, which means contracts, coins. They make that part, they make that price go higher. Okay, they make that price go higher. Okay, let's explain here. Okay, so they have this board there, let's say this. Okay, they have this board. Okay, so okay, so they have their board. Okay, so they have their board with a lot of coins. Okay, let's say here's 100 coins, and they check in their board in the exchange, and they see, look, let's say ape. Here's the example. Okay, they look ape, and they check an ape, and they say, look, there's a lot of people to be liquidate, and let's say in this level here. Okay, there's a lot of people short 450, let's say. Okay, and ape is here. So what they do, they're gonna push the open interest in with the coin. They're gonna open new contracts, of course, with the bot, and then which means people are shorting or they're short already. Okay, and which gonna feel this movement stronger when the open interest is getting high. Okay, people are start to short, which means they're gonna push higher to liquidate this person. Okay, there's person, fund, people, bots, or whatever. So which means when they start to liquidate people, there where the movement is gonna reverse or might continue if people start shorting more. Okay, they make money liquidate people. Okay, they make money with fee. So we need to understand how they move to move with them. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much, guys.